Hey guys, Zach from Kubota Lynchburg here. Wanted to talk to you guys about a little discussed topic of insurance. It's always kind of an awkward conversation in the sales process when you want to talk about insurance. It's usually at the end of the sale and you're talking to the customer, talking to you guys, and we mention, have you considered insurance on your equipment? Because it is required anytime you finance equipment through Kubota that you have insurance on it. So the reason you need insurance, just like buying a truck or a car, is the bank needs to be covered. So since they're loaning you money, usually at 0% through Kubota, they want to be covered in case something were to happen to that equipment. Whether it is stolen, lost in a fire, or something happens to you and you can no longer make payments to it, they need to be covered. So a lot of people don't know that right off the bat, so it's a very commonly asked question at the end of a conversation with your sales guy. Oh, what is the insurance and why do I need it? So you have two main options for insurance. You can run it under your homeowners or business policy. If you're a large company or a rental company, a lot of times the business policy will cover it. But most of our customers, when they're purchasing equipment, they need it under another policy because their homeowners just won't cover it quite enough. Your homeowners usually only covers maybe theft and fire, but it doesn't cover any accident or any other claim on it. So the main option that we offer will be through Kubota, which is KTAC, KTAC insurance. And is very high-end, very high-quality insurance. You can do internet researches, watch YouTube videos on it. Everybody recommends KTAC insurance for many reasons. It's a $250 deductible, any amount of claims, any amount of times. You can have a deductible today, 3 days later, you can do the same thing, have another claim on it, no questions, no worries. And it covers everything. This is the big thing. Us as dealerships, we don't make money off of KTAC. It's negligible on the back end. What we get out of it is that it's a benefit to you. It makes the claim process easier. It makes everybody happy because you can call, get it taken care of in a very simple, easy process. One phone call, it starts getting taken care of. They pay for pickup and delivery. They take care of everything. So again, as a dealership, not a huge benefit to us on a monetary standpoint. A lot of people go, oh, you're selling it to me, you're gonna make a lot of money. We don't really get a kickback off of it. It's the service that we provide to you when, let's say, I'll use an example, one of my customers purchased a Kubota L3901, day 2 of him owning it, picked up a big stump with his front end loader, wasn't watching the weight of the stump, and it rolled off the bucket and hit his hood. Massive dent, cracked the fuel tank, $1,200 damage repair. If he was going to pay that out of pocket, he would have to pay $1,200. Instead, makes one phone call to KTAC, $250 fix. They pay for pickup and delivery. He's extremely happy. Everybody's happy. I get paid from the insurance company. He's not taken care of. 1-2 days later, he's fixed up, ready to go. There's a ton of examples like that. If your barn catches on fire or somebody steals your equipment, you roll it down a hill into a pond. Trust me, it happens multiple times a year usually for us as a dealership, unfortunately. If it's totaled, it's still only $250 and it saves you a ton of headache. So again, insurance is something you're required to have while financing, so why not have the best option out there? It might potentially be a little bit more expensive than putting it on your homeowner's policy. There's some homeowners policies that are more expensive than KTAC and they're not going to cover near as much. So again, the Kubota KTAC insurance is kind of top of the line. It's great. It really saves everybody a lot of headache and hassle, but insurance is required when purchasing a tractor or a zero turn or an RTV or anything that you are financing used or new. So keep that in mind the next time you go to purchase a piece of equipment, and just keep that in the back of your head that this is something that you're going to be required to have.